And happy Sunday. Sunday fun day. Thank God it's Sunday. It's gonna be a good one today. I'm gonna go to that beach. The sun's out. Look at that vein on the bicep, bro. Oh yeah, I'm about to mog. Ooh-wee. About to get so tan. I'll see you guys in a bit. Here's the fit, church fit. Cut, brush. Some slight. I just got to the beach. About to walk like a mile to get some coffee. And then after that, I'll eat my food. I brought some eggs and potatoes. And after that, I walk and then go in the water. It's a beautiful day. Look at this. Beautiful Sunday. Thank you, God. We're about to get so tan. I'm about to mog. I'll see you guys when I get my coffee. Look at this. Breakfast time. Just got back from the coffee shop. Walked in there, mile back. About to have my breakfast. Oh yeah, getting shredded. I'm gonna go for a walk after this. And then get in the water. I'm getting tan as the shreds are coming. The shreds. Let's get a quick mog check. Oh yeah, looking crazy. I'm about to hit 10K steps. It's like about to be 2 o'clock. Look at this car though. Oh my God. I'm about to get one of those soon. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna be like high test, drop top and all that. I'm about to rinse off, then head to the gym actually. Got a quick little workout in. Let's see what we got. Let's see what coach got for me today. But so far so good. Got pretty tan. Looking crazy, breaking necks. Oh yeah. Looking pretty crazy. Let's see the back. Just got to the gym parking lot. I got a low volume leg day. I had legs yesterday. It was more of a high volume. So I'm trying to get some clips and yeah, let's see how this goes. Hopefully I'm not that sore from yesterday. Just finished legs. My legs are fried. I wonder how I'm gonna wake up tomorrow. But I'm about to go to Mother's Market, get some raw milk because I'm trying to make some ice cream. Some real ice cream, not the fake ice cream. I'll probably make a separate video just for that. We'll see how I feel. How long is it? There it is, raw milk, and I got a melon. I just spent 20 bucks for these two items, and the day is all worth it. How I see like everything that I buy, everything I purchase is an investment, because in the long run it's gonna make me more money, more better, more jacked, more aesthetic, more shredded, more everything. So I don't even look at it as spending money. I just look at it as an investment, to be honest. So yeah, I'm about to make this ice cream, get my meal in, and we'll see where we go from there. Look how beautiful that looks. This tastes like candy. Oh yeah, it's going down. Pounds of ground beef. About to go for a walk after this to digest. Y'all know the deal. Nothing new. As always, gotta go for a walk after every meal. It's mandatory, it's a must. You have to go for a walk after every meal to help with digestion, so you could digest your food faster. You won't be bloated and you won't get fat. So if you're seeing this and you're following my steps or everything that I be talking about, you see that you gotta walk after every meal, especially if you're having a pound of beef in one sitting. So I'm probably gonna walk for like 40 minutes, 4,000 steps. I just ate my last meal. Here's some of it right here. The cantaloupe. But I'll post what I ate right now in this next clip. About to end the night with some pool. About to smack Uriel.